Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. My name is Mandy, and I'm really glad that you are here. This week, we're going to be learning how to sign Hark the Herald Angels Sing. This is an old hymn, originally written by Charles Wesley, but on Friday, we're going to sign along with a version sung by Phil Wickham, his acoustic version, which I think is just beautiful. I have put off signing this one in the past because old hymns have some complicated language, but it's Christmas and we can do hard things, so we can do this. So remember, guys, that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Sorry, we're going to do it in 4 parts. Today we're going to learn verse 1 and the chorus. So, hark the herald angels sing. Hark is another word for listen. Hear that? So, a sound. Okay? So, you touch your ear with your thumb. Hark. Okay? Hark, and then herald. So, for herald angels, it's like an announcing angel. And just for simplicity, we're just going to do angels. If you feel like you have a lot of time because it's multiple, you can do like a choir of angels like that. But just for simplicity, I'm probably just going to do angels. So hark the herald angels, and then sing. So for that, you have your non-dominant arm like this, and you're going to have a melody across your forearm. Okay? Angels sing, glory to the newborn king. So glory, your dominant hand goes out like this. If you were here for last week's song, we did a lot of glory. Okay, glory. And then 2, you don't have to sign the 2. You can drop it. Newborn, holding an infant. The newborn, and then king. You make a K, and you're going to go from your non-dominant shoulder, showing that sash that a king would wear. Okay, so let's try that from the top. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. Okay, and then peace on earth and mercy mild. So peace, hands together, and then switch, and then down. Okay, peace. Peace. It doesn't matter which one's in front and which one's behind, peace. Okay, and then on earth, you're making a ball on your non-dominant wrist. Peace on earth and mercy. So for that, you have your middle finger, mercy. And this is mercy coming from heaven. So we're going to kind of show that direction. Mercy, mild, soft or tender. Okay, so you have your fingers spread and then you bring them together while you bring your hands down. Mercy, mild. God and sinners reconciled. God is just a B down the middle of your face. You don't have to turn your body. I'm just letting you see what it is. Okay? Mercy, God and sinners. So for that, you have these hands. Sinners, person. Sin, person. Okay? Sinners, and then reconciled. So there's a really complicated sign for reconcile that kind of starts with B's and comes in and ends with a K. But we're just going to do a nice simple version like this. Reconciled. Okay? Reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise. Joyful. Okay? Joyful. Joyful. You'll see variations of this like this or with the J's. Okay? Joyful. Joyful, all. So dominant hand goes around like this. All nations. Okay? Nations rise. Okay? Maybe we'll try that from the top because there's a lot there. Okay, so hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. Peace on earth and mercy mild. God and, you don't have to sign and, I don't know why I just did that, sinners reconciled. Okay, and then joyful, all nations rise. Okay, and then just lifting up for rise. Join the triumph of the skies. So for join, you kind of have your non-dominant hand like this, and you're going to take your 2 fingers, plop them in there, join. Okay, join the triumph. Okay, so you have the hooks there again with your index finger, the triumph, and then of the skies, show like the skies and looking up, okay? Of the skies, with angelic hosts proclaim. So with the angels proclaim. So you have your 2 index fingers at the edge of your mouth. Proclaim. Christ is born in Bethlehem. So Christ is the same as king, only with a C. Christ, and then born. So for this hand is almost showing your womb, okay? And then born, okay? I'm gonna move it up a little bit just so you can see it. Born, born, okay? Sometimes you'll see a flat head, or a flat hand, sorry, flat head, yeah. But my experience, heads are round, so I go with the fifth version. Okay, Christ is born, and then in Bethlehem. So finger spelling Bethlehem is really tough. So I've seen a couple different versions out there. Start with a B and then kind of show the manger. I've also seen it be like this, okay? So B and then manger, or B manger, like that, okay? Or it's kind of like not so much the manger, but the stable, okay? Or just B stable, okay? Let's try from the top. That's the whole verse. Okay, so hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn king. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim that Christ is born. Okay, nice and low down here, born in Bethlehem. And then it goes right into the refrain from there. Okay, so let's try that again. And then luckily the chorus is really simple. It's exactly the same as the first 2 lines that we've already learned how to sign. Okay, so hark the herald, angels sing, glory to the newborn king. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim that Christ is born in Bethlehem. Okay? You can also do Bethlehem like that. And then the chorus is just really simple. It's hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. And then the version that we're signing with on Friday, Phil Wickham just repeats glory to the king the first 2 times you hear the chorus. Okay, so hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. And then it just repeats glory to the king. Try it one more time from the top all together. Okay, so hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful, all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim that Christ is born in Bethlehem. And then the chorus, hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn king. And then it just says glory to the king. And that's everything you need for the first verse in the chorus. And maybe you're just signing a simple version and that's all you need. But if you're signing a version that has verse 2 and verse 3 like ours, we're going to learn how to do that tomorrow. Okay, see you then. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.